I believe the world should have been looking at income versus being rich or an entrepreneur. I believe we need to get $5,000 to $10,000 a month income, no matter what we do. Now, I'm the only guy that does what I do. I got clients out there going blah 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 about storage units, laundromats. It's fine. I don't think you really want to run the business. Okay, I don't want to run the business. The next time you walk into a Wendy's restaurant, ask for the owner. It's not there. Okay, it's a management company. Look on the plaque on the right-hand side. They must say what's there. You drive through with Jack in the Box or McDonald's, right there's a sign who owns the operation. It's some LLC or some other corporation. The owner does not run the restaurant. Okay, why would they do that? But again, this is what you want. But it's not even money. This is a legal tender. Okay, it's what? It's a Federal Reserve note. Money hasn't been money for a long time. It's a note. So it's like partnering. It's not easy. If you want easy, go to my ex-client over there who grabs all your money. He's going to say he's rich, rich, rich. And what he gets to do, he gets to brag about his bank accounts and all his goodies while the clients get diddly squat. That's a Ponzi. I don't like Ponzi. I will never touch the money in a line of credit for an escrow. Never. You put it there. You put it there. You will be told what to do. I'll hold your hand. We'll sing Kumbaya, but you won't screw this up. Because why? We're going to do it right. At the end of the day, in 90 days, if you own 25% of something and you get auto income, that's the rest of your life. I think the problem is you forgot legacy. I believe your families and families before you forgot legacy. Legacy, okay? I don't understand why people, when we pass and go to a better place, okay, we understand that, whatever we believe in, and now you're stuck in a probate. And you want to leave something to somebody. Why would you leave something to anybody? Why don't you leave this setup there and let him replace you as officer? Become president. When you transfer an asset, there's taxation. When you leave it alone, guess what? It stays where it is. When I told cats at Disney they were buying the hotels wrong years ago, I got paid for my $25,000 a day. And then when I answered the question, they go, what? We didn't see that? I'm sorry you don't see things. That's not my problem. It's yours.